What a lovely day. Only us, me and you, Patrick. My best friend ever. And nothing can mess with me. Finally, peaceful day for us. Hello there, SpongeBob and Patrick. Wait, it's Porky Pig. Hi there, Porky Pig. It's nice to meet you. Wanna play with us? No thanks, I have something to you all. Okay, what is it? Please turn around on the back and close your eyes, please. Okay then, that's much nice.
Now it's time to chop you all with the chainsaw.
Ha 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 ha. SpongeBob and Patrick are now dead forever. Ha ha ha. What a peak day ever.